A baseline test. I'm repeating because my camera doesn't always work right. This is the battery, this is the watt meter, and this is the circuit, and this is the draw. Now we're going to take it up to its normal, well, what was normal level during the 3 days of, let me get this back up there. Here's a little screwdriver. You'll see 17.5. Now is it like 18.3, something like that. Now we're getting up closer to the 2 watt range. Now this battery, excuse me, this battery was another one like it was putting out 4.4 watts. So we're bound to get a few more watt hours, but I'm not sure. To be fair, we need to load this to 2 watts, but I don't know if my lights will. I guess my light is going to be alright. See, now that's too much. 2.7 watts for one little battery. It was running at about 2 watts. There, we toned down a little. It don't take much to get past the mark. Okay. Let's get it down a little. There. 2 watts, hopefully. It was actually 4.4 between 2 of these batteries because I was running 22 volts. And right now I'm running 12, which is really basically what was going to this. And then let me turn this light down a little. Dave, can you see the light? There. Dave's happy. And there's the voltage. That is really bright and burns a lot too, those circuits. But right now I'm just wanting a baseline test to show again how many watt hours now these are over here, these other watt meters I got. There's one here and one here. Those are all set up, ready to go back in the circuit, and I have not deleted the memory on that. I'll show it to you. I got like 30 watt hours out of these batteries, 2 of these little batteries right here, and I was charging them up with 4 or 5 watt hours. And we're doing another baseline test to see. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about the 3 battery circuit where you take 2 batteries and you pump the energy around in a circle, charging a 3rd battery. Okay, here's my stack of batteries I was using, in case you guys didn't see the other videos. But there's a battery, there's a battery, and there's a battery. And I popped some batteries because I was running them too hard, and I ended up stopping. So I'll come back probably with a picture and show you the stopping voltage and the watt hours, because you're not supposed to discharge these below 30% and charge them full up every single time. So that's why I stop at 12 volts. That's probably too high, but after 3 days I blew up a couple of batteries over that period. But this is a baseline test. How much power, how many watt hours can I get out of this battery running that same light, running generally the same watts, 2 watts? How much? Because we don't want to overstress it. We could lower it, and then from what I see on battery discharge, if you don't keep the same level, you could triple your watt hours or 10 times the watt hours if you have a real small drain. But a normal 180, it's 180 milliamps. See it there? That's a lot of drain on a battery. Don't be surprised if it blows up again. That's why I have some new ones on order. But they are supposed to take it, and they are new, but they don't all take it, that kind of abuse for one little battery. If you're going to run 180 or 200 milliamp discharge, you need 2 sets of these in parallel. That's the right way. But I'm not doing, I'm putting the pedal to the metal here. So we'll see what happens in a little while. Alright, I'll come back.